If you notice water coming from the blend chamber, or you can see standing water inside the blend chamber, the drain is clogged. First, try pouring hot water down the drain. If water continues to overflow, you will need to clear the clog. Lift the blender door and remove the grate. Use a 6-foot length of 3/8 inch flexible tubing and snake down the drain to remove the clog. Never use a brush or sharp object to do this. The same process, clearing a clogged drain, can be performed on the dispense area. After clog is removed, use store-approved drain cleaner per manufacturer's directions.